Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make this Play-Doh. First, you need this yellow Play-Doh, a yellow surprise stick, blue, light blue Play-Doh, and some purple Play-Doh. And that's the first step of how to make this. Next, put all of your yellow Play-Doh around the back of her head and a little bit on the front. That's the second step. Third, make a circle-y shape for the blue eyes, and that's the third step. Fourth, make a little smile face on the egg, and that's the end of how to make this. If you liked how it is, I might open it. Bye!